Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Polk Signature Elite ES50 Tower Speaker, a premium floor-standing speaker designed for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts who want powerful, immersive sound without compromising on style. This speaker combines Polk's decades of acoustic engineering experience with modern features to deliver a truly dynamic listening experience. With its contemporary walnut finish, it not only performs brilliantly but also adds a touch of elegance to any living space. The Polk ES50 is high-res audio certified, meaning it's capable of reproducing even the finest details in your music with stunning clarity. It features a 1-inch high-resolution tweeter for crisp, clear highs and two 5.25-inch woofers for full, rich mids and deep, controlled bass. One of the standout features is Polk's power port technology, which enhances low-frequency performance while minimizing distortion. This allows the speaker to produce deep, impactful bass without the need for an additional subwoofer, making it ideal for both music listening and home theater setups. When it comes to home theater, the ES50 is Dolby Atmos and DTS compatible, allowing you to experience immersive, three-dimensional sound when paired with a compatible AV receiver. Every explosion, dialogue, and musical note comes through with precision, filling your room with a realistic and engaging audio environment. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or enjoying your favorite music albums, the ES50 delivers consistent, high-quality sound across the entire frequency range. The design of the ES50 is both functional and stylish. Its tower format ensures excellent sound projection and room-filling performance, while the contemporary walnut finish adds a sophisticated look to your setup. The speaker's sturdy build ensures stability, while the carefully tuned crossover and driver placement deliver a balanced, immersive listening experience from every angle in the room. It's clear that Polk has paid attention to both aesthetics and acoustics in creating this speaker. Setup is simple, and the ES50 pairs seamlessly with a wide variety of AV receivers, making it versatile for different home audio systems. Its performance is impressive even in medium to large rooms, thanks to its efficient design and high-quality components. Whether you're a casual listener or a serious audiophile, this speaker offers both power and finesse, bringing professional-level sound into your home. If you're looking for a tower speaker that delivers immersive, room-filling sound with deep bass, crisp highs, and high-resolution clarity, the Polk Signature Elite ES50 is a fantastic choice. Its combination of advanced technology, elegant design, and exceptional audio performance makes it perfect for home theaters, music listening, and gaming setups alike. Click the link below for the best price and transform your home audio experience today.